Hello, today is Tuesday, the 13th day of November 2012, and let's take a look at the silver market. Earlier, I've been talking about this thing first going sideways. The thing is this 18 average band that tracks the highs, the lows, and the closes. 3 straight days now, today, yesterday, and Friday, it has broken out past this previous resistance point. And this has made this hold up against the 18 average of highs. So that's step one. Now that that step's in play, the next step is to either have an explosive move to the upside or for it to establish some sort of new resistance, 33, 33 and a half, somewhere in this ballpark area. Then have this thing start to rise and then come back into this band and then lift off, break past this significant resistance area. The ideal spot for this to rally up to would be the 61.8% from this high and this low for the next break higher. Now within the game that I've been playing, picking different stocks, it hasn't started off the greatest with an 0-2 record. The first one is AEP, entry at 41.80, exit 41.30. Now, I did state earlier about if you wanted to get out at a small profit, it might be a good idea, or I don't blame you. I think I did say originally. And that's all about adjusting to the message of the market. So this is a 41.80 entry point right here. And it immediately managed to go up to the point that it was up a percentage and a half. Next thing you know, here we are back down this bottom, not looking so well. That's when you might say to yourself, okay, wait a second here. I had this bounce that was nowhere near, or it was below where the sell line was, and it broke down below this low here. That's not what I was expecting. I was expecting a possible pullback here, but I would have thought maybe find a bottom here and then go higher. So that's why when you're adjusting to the message of the market, and the time frame was, of course, this area in here, you might have been saying to yourself, you know what, I really don't want to get in it. So the exit point again was 41.30, which would be somewhere around here. So your stop, of course, done right there. The following one is EMN, which had the entry at 58.06, stop 57.40. So therefore, it originally came down and it found some support right in here. This didn't get stopped out, this gap open in here, and it did come and make that higher high above this level in here. Same thing is true as the last one. You would not expect it to come back towards here. So as you're seeing this right in here, definitely reason to get a little bit concerned, and of course the stop would have been just right in here. So that's it for today, and I'll talk to you guys later on. Take care.